Using TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer, here is your quick tutorial. We are here in 2023 and I hope you find some useful nuggets in this particular video. Let's jump in. Okay, here we are. As you can see, I am now over at my YouTube channel and you've decided to use TubeBuddy for priming your videos for success within YouTube. What you need to do once you've signed up, got an account and then the extension is on your browser, what you need to do is to come over to this icon here, which you should then see, and you click over to the Keyword Explorer. Now, depending on your line of work, there's going to be maybe a few keywords that you might want to go for. So for me, it'll be like online business. So I'll go through online business, or for you, it might be hairdressing or public speaking or something around food, whatever it might be. Now, if you were to punch in at the top on the bar, the search bar, it will then come up for you this particular grading system. So as you can see, it goes from red all the way to green, red being obviously poor and then green being great. And then obviously online business is a very popular keyword or set of keywords. And obviously it's come up here for me as poor, 10 out of 100. And that's fine. If you scroll down to here, you can see the search results and also the monthly results as well as an estimation. The search volume at the top here is obviously great. Many people are going for that particular search when it comes to YouTube, but also the competition is also very high, so therefore it's coming up as poor. So that's how you read that particular screen. Now here, the Explorer will then give you particular alternatives. So I might want to, let's say, click on to other business ideas, and it should then change the search for me to see if I can maybe create a video around this particular search, but it's coming up again. It's a bit better, 16 out of 100, but it's still coming up as poor as competition, but obviously the search volume is high, so I don't think I'll go for that one. Maybe this one, online business ideas 2022, but I could change it for 2023. So again, that is also coming up poor, and it might take some time depending on what space you are on. I for sure am in a very crowded market, but that's fine. I still do find business ideas that I can do when it comes to my own video creation. Let me just try one more time. Let's go for, I don't know, online business for students, let's say. Let's have a look. It's poor. I won't take too much of your time, so let's just do hairdressing. Is that one word? Sorry. Hairdressing, explore. Same for hairdressing. Let's just say hairdressing training. Okay. And then I'll probably go down to hairdressing training videos. Okay, so hairdressing training videos, the search volume is, you know, it's not too much because here it's coming up insufficient data, but the competition is great, it's in the yellow, and you do have a rough estimation of how many search results come up for that particular search term. So it might take you a while just to really go through all that is offered within the Keyword Explorer, but once you've found your particular set of keywords, you can then come over to results, which is what I really like, and you can then find the top ranking, second top ranking, third top ranking, and so on in this particular area of keywords. So here you could do a video around free hairdressing lesson, but then I would just take 80% of the title and then change 20% to make it your own, and then you could obviously click onto this particular heading, go into the video and see how they've designed their particular video, and you can then walk away with some idea as to how you can create your particular video. So that is really, really handy to know, and that's how I personally use the Keyword Explorer. If you're here, come up over here, you've got the common tags that are used as well, other video topics that I've pretty much worked through with you as well, but this goes into great detail around hairdressing training videos. So then you've got another fair few ideas for you to like look into, and you can design your video around. Again, it's just a case of pressing on particular sets of keywords to make it as optimized for you and the video you wish to create, and that should give you a good start out to the the gates if you are starting to roll out YouTube videos, or if you are wanting to just maybe use your Keyword Explorer to your full advantage. Okay, I hope you found that tutorial useful. I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success, and I do this by helping them with a free listing within the Soul Central directory. It goes out to 10,000 plus intuitives, manifestors, soul searchers and seekers. So if you feel that is the right audience for you and you are best place your services in front of that particular crowd, then feel free to like this video, subscribe and also comment below Soul Central directory, and I'll get that information over to you. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.